Hell yeah.
Yeah, so I was
What's up, man? What's up, man?
I gotta go get mine.
Man, get the fuck out of here. What are you doing?
Behind you on the interstate the other morning. You started cutting it up. I was cutting it up.
He said I could not keep up with
That's crazy. You couldn't keep up. Oh, damn.
I remember now.
That's crazy because it's slow. I can only go 130.
Shut up.
I can't remember what morning that was.
It was that you told me about it. It was like 2 or 3 days ago.
It had to,
was
because I'm
really-
like, I think I'm the only person with this model color out here.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Is that a Busa?
I was just looking at it.
That's crazy.
The color a little bit to like